Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey! Okay, so
Alright.
ask her anong wish niya, guys. Let's
Ay, hindi
ask
pwede.
Keisha anong wish niya.
Hindi pa niya sabihin, hindi magkakatotoo.
So hindi yung totoo lang ang sabihin mo.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Okay, so any birthday wish to Hazel?
I don't think you're supposed to say it out.
Anong birthday wish mo to Hazel?
Still, good health and wish you all the best in life. Always.
So now it's about time for us to Jowa. Jowa, what's your birthday wish to Hazel?
This is a
Already
question
have
and
the
answer
best.
portion.
Come wish you the best, you already have it.
Yeah. Alright, so any message to your viewers right now?
Ay,
To your,
Diyos ko,
to your,
hindi na po, kuya.
sige. So now it's about time for us to eat. And guys, check the food. Thank you so much, El Nido Yacht Club.
Alright.
Ang masagot agad, okay.
Sir, kuha na lang po kayo dun, sir. Once again, yung ating nagluto nito ay si Liza.
Yeah, Chef Liza. Palakpakan naman natin, Chef.
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Anyari! It's a prank! What happened, guys?
I was gonna jump, but